The storm over the election. Trump's legal battles rage on. The 2020 election continues to cast a long shadow over American politics. Donald Trump's legal battles, stemming from his challenges to the election results, are far from over. These cases have gripped the nation, raising profound questions about election integrity, the peaceful transfer of power, and the rule of law. The outcome of these legal battles will undoubtedly have a lasting impact on American democracy. Trump faces multiple indictments across different jurisdictions, each with its own set of charges and legal complexities. These cases represent unprecedented legal challenges to a former president. They have also fueled deep partisan divisions, with Trump's supporters viewing the prosecutions as politically motivated attacks. The stakes are incredibly high. These cases are not just about Donald Trump. They are about the very foundation of American democracy. The outcome will set a precedent for future elections and determine whether the United States can uphold the principles of free and fair elections. The nation is watching closely as these legal dramas unfold. The outcome will have profound implications for the future of American democracy and the rule of law. These cases represent a critical test for the American justice system. Recent developments in Trump's election fraud case have sent shockwaves through the legal community and fueled speculation about the case's future. Attorneys for Trump have publicly stated that they believe the case is dead. This bold declaration follows a series of setbacks for the prosecution, including the Supreme Court's ruling on presidential immunity. The Supreme Court's decision, while not directly related to Trump's case, has raised questions about the extent to which a president can be held accountable for actions taken while in office. This ruling has emboldened Trump's legal team and given them new ammunition to challenge the charges against him. Adding to the intrigue, there have been reports of internal disagreements within the prosecution team. Some legal experts suggest that these disagreements could weaken the case against Trump and make it more difficult to secure a conviction. Despite these recent developments, it's premature to declare the case against Trump dead. The prosecution may still have legal avenues to pursue, and the judge presiding over the case will ultimately decide whether the case proceeds to trial. To fully grasp the gravity of Trump's legal situation, it's crucial to understand the specific charges against him. The heart of the matter lies in allegations that Trump and his allies engaged in a concerted effort to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. These allegations are not merely about challenging election results through legal means. They paint a picture of a coordinated attempt to subvert the democratic process itself. The charges include accusations of pressuring election officials to alter vote counts, spreading disinformation about widespread voter fraud, and inciting violence at the U.S. Capitol on January 6th. The prosecution has presented a mountain of evidence to support these claims, including phone records, emails, and witness testimony. This evidence, they argue, paints a clear picture of Trump's intent to hold on to power despite losing the election. The charges against Trump are unprecedented in American history. Never before has a former president faced such serious allegations of attempting to overturn an election. The outcome of these cases will have far-reaching consequences for the future of American democracy. The declaration by Trump's attorneys that the case is dead is a strategic move designed to influence public opinion and potentially pressure the prosecution. However, it holds no legal weight. Only a judge has the authority to dismiss a case, and the prosecution has shown no signs of backing down. The legal implications of such a statement are limited. It's essentially a public expression of confidence by Trump's legal team, but it doesn't change the facts of the case or the evidence presented. While the statement may be legally insignificant, it's crucial to understand its potential impact on the court of public opinion. Trump's supporters may interpret it as a sign of his innocence, while his detractors may view it as another attempt to evade accountability. The reality is that the case is far from over. the prosecution is likely to forge ahead, presenting its case in court and leaving the final judgment to the jury.